The secret to making sales fast on Etsy is actually selling what is in demand and super hot and trending now. Hey guys, Angie here, and welcome back to episode number 2 in this series that I'm doing on what's trending on Etsy. These videos are released every single week at the either end of the week or the beginning of the week to help you have inspiration for listing. All right, so we are over on Etsy in an incognito window. We are under the clothing and shoes section, and today I decided to click on the women's and see what pops up here and just type some of these keywords that I'm finding into Sales Samurai to verify if this is a good niche for us or not. So our first inspiration shirt today is in the family niche, and this is a couples matching shirt set, and this is groovy mama and dada shirt. So we're going to go ahead and verify the keywords from this listing over in Sales Samurai and make sure that it's something that we can jump into and get some traction based on the search volume and the competition. So under the basic search in Sales Samurai, I have typed in groovy mama and dada shirt, and as you can see, it has a low search volume of 38. However, the competition is only 62, so that is hardly any other listings on Etsy, and that gives you a good chance of being found when a customer types in that keyword phrase. And then we can scroll down to the bottom and see some additional keywords that are low competition with a decent search volume, and we can also check out the recommended tags over here listed by search volume. And the next inspiration shirt is Down Syndrome Awareness shirt. And so we have a really nice Bella canvas shirt here, some really bright colors and a rainbow. So back over on Sales Samurai, I originally typed in Down Syndrome Awareness, and I noticed that down here in the keyword suggestion that Down's Syndrome Awareness, spelled a little bit differently, actually had a search volume of 1,148 and a competition of only 788. And this is another reason that I really love using Sales Samurai, because you wouldn't know that people often misspell this word more so than spelling it correctly unless you had this tool and you could see with your eyes that it would be better to spell it Down's Syndrome Awareness rather than Down Syndrome Awareness, because that is where the search volume is right there. And if you look down here, if you spell it correctly, you can see the search volume is only 118 and the competition is much, much higher. So knowing this can actually give you an edge up on the competition in this niche. And so while you don't necessarily need tools to do research for your Etsy listings, if you just take those few extra minutes just to type in some keywords in here and just peek really quickly, right? It takes less than a minute. It's going to make your listings way more effective. Next, we have the sport, or this could also, I guess, be considered the family niche as well, because it is a softball mom shirt. And this is fun. It says somebody's loud mouth softball mama. So they have the oversized comfort color shirt here and that fun retro font. And this listing is charging $30 for their comfort color shirts, and they are selling a lot of these. Is a bestseller and it has over 20 in the cart. And back in Sales Samurai, we can verify that this is an excellent choice for a keyword, loud mouth softball mama. Search volume 452 and competition of only 358. So there's more searches than competition. So if you do your listing well, chances are you could definitely clean up on this one. And as always, before putting any phrases on a shirt or anything that you're going to sell on Etsy, you want to make sure that it's not trademarked. So I just go over to trademarkia.com, paste the phrase in there and hit search. If it's registered in a different class, such as mugs or tote bags, then you can still use it on the shirt, but not those registered items. So you can see the status here, whether it's abandoned or registered, or it could also be pending, meaning it's not active yet. However, it could be soon. So as long as it doesn't say registered, you're good to go. Next, we have the book niche, or this could be a teacher or librarian niche as well. And books are a really great category to list in. As you can see, this one has a fun retro font with a lot of funky colors, and it is on a Bella canvas tee. So over in Sales Samurai, we've typed in "It's a Good Day to Read," search volume 75, which is kind of low. However, the competition is only 759. So to me, that's definitely worth listing. And if you scroll down here, you can see some additional suggested keywords, lots with plenty of low competition. And most of you know anything really under 10,000 is considered low competition. I try to get more under 3,000. And when you get closer to 500, that is what I consider low hanging fruit for new stores, because you're not going to be competing with a ton of other stores. Of course, as you gain authority in your store, that doesn't matter as much, but most of the people watching these videos are definitely going to be building their store. Then one of my favorite niches is gardening, or the plant niche. And if you guys don't know, I've recently become absolutely obsessed with plants. Maybe if you guys are interested in the future, once the construction is done in our house, I can do a little office / plant tour. As far as this goes, so we have another nice Bella canvas shirt with very simple writing and very simple graphics that you can get from Creative Fabrica. Of course, you always, when you're looking at shirts like this for inspiration, you want to use it just as inspiration and make your completely own unique design. And there is a lot of really fun AI tools coming out to help you with your designs, but as always, don't be afraid to just keep it simple, right? Text-based designs sell really, really well. So the phrase here is "hoeing ain't easy," kind of a funny, comical gardening gift shirt. Over in Sales Samurai, woohoo, we love to see it. So when the search volume is higher than the competition, I love it, I love it. So search volume 1,109, competition 952. When we scroll down, there's a ton more high search volume, low competition keywords that you can use in your listing to absolutely crush it. Hoeing ain't easy tee. We have hoeing ain't easy shirt, 1,169, competition 790. If you want to use the gardening tag, because that has a huge search volume, gardening gift, botanical shirt, plant lover shirt, plant lover gift. Those are all really, really great tags to get you some clicks over to your listing. And when you scroll down to the bottom, you can look at some of the top listings on Etsy using these keywords. And of course, you can click on the details and go into each and every single listing and analyze those listings. So I hope you are enjoying this new series, What is Trending on Etsy? And I do want to make this really fun for you guys. And aside from just giving you what's trending, I also want to share a little bit of my life with you. So let me know if you think that would be fun. And moving forward, I'm going to go ahead and link for you my full Etsy playlist on the screen here, so you can get some more tips and tricks for growing your Etsy shop. Also, be sure to join my free Facebook community, and let's crush out your goals together. Make an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video.